Vacuole. Organelle for storage of water. It is much bigger in a plant cell, and when empty it causes a plant to droop or wilt. Vacuole. Nucleus. The part of the cell that controls or directs all cell activities, such as cell reproduction, brain or boss of the cell. Nucleus. Mitochondria. These organelles use oxygen to turn glucose sugar into ATP that the cell uses for energy. Then it releases carbon dioxide waste gas, lungs of the cell. Mitochondria. Oxygen. A mitochondrion is like a cell's lungs. It absorbs this gas. It uses this gas to release energy from food. Oxygen. Lysosome. This organelle contains acid enzymes that break down or digests food nutrients and old cell parts to be recycled into new cell parts, not often found in plant cells. Lysosome. Stomach. Lysosomes are bags of acid and enzymes to break down food into smaller nutrient particles. This is similar to this organ of your digestive system. Stomach. Cell wall. The hard protective outer part of a plant cell that gives the cell its flat-sided shape and is made of rigid cellulose fibers. Cell wall. Skeleton. The cell wall provides shape, protection and support to the plant cell when the vacuole is full of water pressure. Plants do not have bones. This part of your body provides shape, protection and support to you. Skeleton. Cell membrane. Semi-permeable layer that both plant and animal cells have that allows good stuff like oxygen and food into the cell while letting out waste. In a plant, it lies just inside of the cell wall. Cell membrane. Pre-existing cells. Cells reproduce by making copies of themselves and then splitting into two cells. This is where all cells come from. Pre-existing cells. Food. How do all living things get energy? Food. Carbon. All cells are all made of similar materials, such as this element. Organic molecules contain this. Carbon. Cells. Blank. Tissues. Organ system. Organism. It is the simplest, most basic unit of living things. All living things are made of these. Cells. Tissue. A group of the same kind of cells working together to do the same job is a blank. Blood is a liquid example of this. Tissue. Organs. A group of different tissues working together to do the same job. Heart, kidney, brain, liver, stomach, muscle, bone, skin. Organs. Organ system. A group of different organs working together to do the same function, such as skeletal, nervous, digestive, muscular. Organ system. Organism. Cell, tissue, organ system, blank. Organism. Robert Hooke, English scientist who first called them cells in 1665. Robert Hooke. Cytoplasm. Jelly-like watery gel that fills the cell. Organelles float in this fluid liquid. Cytoplasm. 7 life processes: eating, excreting, breathing, growing, reproducing, moving, and reacting. 7 life processes. Turgor pressure. The pressure of full vacuoles pushing outward so plants stand up. Empty vacuoles cause wilting or drooping due to not enough of this kind of pressure. Turgor pressure. Organelles. Cell parts such as lysosomes, vacuoles, mitochondria, and nuclei. Organelles. Structure. Part. How something is built, what it is made of. Structure. What plant cells have that animal cells don't? Chloroplasts, cell wall and a large central vacuole. What plant cells have that animal cells don't? Function. Job. What something does. Function.